Hello everyone, my name is Jesse with Hefestus USA, doing a little quick how-to video on the ARA 2000 tamping station. The ARA 2000 is equipped with 4 individually powered tamping stations that really take your pre-roll and jump it up and down so that you can achieve the ideal pack from midway to tip. This is how you're going to achieve certain product specifications. Now, due to the nature of cannabis and hemp and the nature of most trichomes, you will get a little bit of hashing that happens. As the piston does produce some heat and move up and down rapidly, as some of your material is expelled from the pre-roll itself, it will fall down into certain areas and kind of make scissor hash almost. So the entire tamping station can be removed from the ARA by releasing one electrical clip and 2 10mm bolts on both sides. It can be removed completely from the machine itself for easier maintenance. Now, this is one that is fully assembled and cleaned, but each one of these individual stations is equipped with one DC powered piston, which helps move up and down. The adjustments can be made right in the control module portion of the interface. Each one of these pistons is equipped with a hat. These come in white and black depending on your version of the ARA. Once you pick up or remove your tamping station, from the back you will see Allen keys throughout here. These can be easily removed and slide your overall housing right off. From there, you are able to view the overall housing or the piston itself along with the hat. Now, because this entire piece can be pulled directly out of the ARA, it can be cleaned with isopropyl or ethanol, depending on what you have handy. We do not recommend any other solvents outside of that. You do want something that evaporates completely and cleanly. From here, you can see your individual pistons. Now, across the bottom, you will see the bottom part of the piston. As you press on this, this will allow motion of the hat up and down. From this point, we can either go about this a couple different ways. My quickest and most on-the-fly way to do this is actually saturate this entire area in here with isopropyl itself, taking a non-metallic nylon brush and scrubbing any of the hash that has formed underneath. You can move this up and down. We also want to use a pick or something to scrape any hash that has developed on top of the hat. Once you have good motion and everything, it will be necessary to realign the hat with the station itself. What that means is on the other side of the tamping station, you will see a couple nuts right here. What this does is adjust the piston's pitch left to right. So by loosening these up, you can take a tool of some kind or a factory edge ruler and lay it across here and push your piston up until the hat sits perfectly flush. From that point, you can retighten these up and it'll hold its position. Now, we do want to make sure that all of the locking washers that are accompanied by these nuts are present, as this will help keep the setting tight and not adjust as the pistons move up and down or any vibration from the machine. From this point, you can go ahead and reapply your sleeve for each piston, making sure that all your wiring is routed properly through the side holes. Once you have all that tightened back up, go through, check your levelness of your actual tamping station, and make sure that everything is as it's supposed to. If your hat is not completely flush with the post itself, what you will get is a lot of bent crutches. As your pre-rolls rotate from one section to the other, if the hat is up a little bit, the crutch will catch on it, causing a bend down at the bottom of the pre-roll. This is unacceptable by most quality standards in every facility. So it is really ideal to make sure that you use a true factory edge. I tend to use an Allen wrench that's unbent out of the back of my kit that I don't ever use. Lay it across, press up. While holding that there, you can go ahead and tighten everything where it needs to be so that you maintain an ideal operating condition. If you do want to get into deep cleaning and really want to remove everything, all of the pistons can be disconnected from their general wire connections and removed completely from the tamping station, as well as each one of the hats coming with 2 Allen keys on both sides to hold it to the piston itself. These can be loosened out, removed, scrubbed down, and reinstalled. You want to make sure that any of that nasty hash that really gets on there is all taken off, because as soon as it heats up, it will become more pliable and cause you the same issues. These steps can be bypassed if you want to do a quick on-the-fly cleaning. This will be demonstrated by your technician at time of training. And if you ever have any extra questions or get stumped on anything, don't hesitate to call us directly at our 1-800 number. That's 1-855-433-WEED. And I hope this video has helped. My name's Jesse with Hefestus USA, signing off. Thank you.